In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make ChatGPT sound more like you and less like a robot. Our goal here is to infuse some of your unique personality and style into the text, making interactions feel more natural and personalized. To get started, make sure you're at your computer and ready to follow along with these straightforward steps. First things first, open up a web browser of your choice and head to Google. Once you're there, simply type ChatGPT into the search bar and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results, and what you want to do next is look for the official ChatGPT website and click on it. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll need to navigate your way to your profile. You'll generally find this option in the lower left corner of the page. Go ahead and click on Profile. Once that's done, the next step is to find and select personalization from the available options. This section is where you'll be able to adjust the settings to make ChatGPT mirror your personal tone and style more closely. Now, with the personalization menu open, pay attention to the available settings. One important element you'll encounter is the default option. Clicking on Default will allow you to begin tailoring how ChatGPT generates responses. This next part is where the magic really happens. You'll see a space provided for typing in instructions. This is where you can input details about your writing style, the kind of tone you usually adopt, and any specifics that define how you communicate. For example, if you prefer using a more casual tone with contractions, like couldn't, instead of could not, or if you favor a more formal tone, you should make sure to specify this preference clearly. The goal here is to reflect how you naturally communicate, so take your time here to think about the style and voice you want to portray. Once you've finished typing in your instructions, the final step is crucial. Make sure you click on Save. This will ensure all the changes you've made become active, and they will be applied to your future interactions with ChatGPT. And that's it. Now, when you engage with ChatGPT, it should respond in a way that more closely reflects your personal style. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy personalizing!